Good evening to all. In this video, let us discuss on the cost and break-even analysis with a case study on orange markets price variation. So this is the a case analysis on the estimation of the demand for oranges by price variations based on the market demand and the environmental aspect. So this is the introduction on this case study. So the market experiment is being done and the demand estimation is done by the suppliers. There are three types of oranges: Florida Indian River, Florida Interior, and California oranges. These three oranges are available in 9 supermarkets in the same area. So for 31 consecutive days, this has been analyzed, and the price changes happens between 0 to 6 cents. So there is adequate supply of all the three types of oranges in all the 9 supermarkets. So these are all some of the constraints or conditions while analyzing this case study. So this is the price elasticity process. So elasticity is a measure of responsiveness of one variable to another, being the elasticity is greater than how the responsiveness is greater. So both the elasticity and the responsiveness are directly proportional to each other when any price elasticity of demand is discussed or considered. Next comes the cross price elasticity of demand. So the cross price elasticity measures responsiveness of demand. It measures to a substitute or complement. For example, in one shop there may be some complement, like if we purchase 1 kilogram of oranges, 250 grams of oranges can be taken as free, or some other product can be taken as free. So demand is negative, two complementary goods can be offered to the customer by the supplier, so that the selling of the product will be maximum. When the demand is positive, two substitute goods can be offered. So demand for a rival product will definitely increase when one product has a less demand. This is called as cross price elasticity of demand. So the demand estimation. So the demand for a product or service where the firm's product is essential and continuing, and the estimated demand predicts the future of the uh, profit of a particular product. And if there is any change in price, or if there is any change in the competitor's price, the demand estimation helps very majorly. And the variations in consumers income also determines the demand of a particular product. So in a summary, we can tell the market analysis will play a major role in the demand estimation of a product. This is the market experiment. So research, development, and execution. So the test for a need, test a concept, test in the market, test for scale, and commercialize. So the need should be understood by the manufacturer first, and the concept should be known, and it should be tested in the market, and it should be tested for a scale, like a margin 10 kilograms or 100 kilograms in a week, or 10 kilograms in a day. So like that, it should be tested for a scale, and then it can be commercialized with all the possible incorporations of the demand and supply. So the experiments can be conducted in the marketplace with similar demographics, changing the commodity price and determinants of demand and control, and recording the response of the consumers. By making all these things, the market experiments can be done to finalize or to fix whether this product will be selling best in this particular area or not. So some of the observations are: the PED for Indian River oranges remains 3.07, and 1% increase in price happens. So in turn, 3.07% decline in the demand happens, and the CPED will be larger than 1 for Florida oranges, and it is close to 0 for Californian oranges. 1% change. What are the outcomes of these price variations, like price elasticity and cross price elasticity? Is 1% change in the price of Florida Indian oranges, there is a considerably high change in the demand. Consumer regard the two types as close substitutes, considering the price of each other. So the cross price elasticity of demand for Florida Indian River, Florida Interior, and California oranges are given. These are all the data fetched from economics.com. So these are all some of the cross price elasticity of demand. Thanks a lot for watching this video.